Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Filipino spaghetti. This beloved dish is a true taste of the Philippines, famous for its uniquely sweet and savory flavor profile. It's a staple at countless celebrations and family gatherings, bringing joy to everyone who tries it. We'll go over the essential ingredients and simple steps to help you recreate this comforting and delicious meal right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your loved ones with this classic Filipino favorite. To create authentic Filipino spaghetti, you'll need a few key ingredients that set it apart. Start with ground meat, typically pork or beef, and sliced hot dogs for that distinct savory bite. The heart of the sauce is a sweet spaghetti sauce, often combined with a generous amount of banana ketchup, which provides its signature tang and sweetness. Don't forget the spaghetti noodles and a mountain of grated cheddar cheese for topping. These components are crucial for achieving that beloved Filipino flavor. Let's get cooking. First, brown your ground meat in a large pot until it's fully cooked, then drain any excess fat. Next, add your sliced hot dogs and cook them until they're lightly browned and flavorful. Now, pour in your sweet spaghetti sauce and banana ketchup, stirring everything together. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld. While the sauce simmers, cook your spaghetti noodles according to package directions until they are perfectly al dente. Once your sauce and noodles are ready, it's time to combine them. Gently toss the cooked spaghetti with the rich, sweet, and savory sauce until every strand is beautifully coated. Serve your Filipino spaghetti warm, topped generously with a mound of grated cheese. This is a non-negotiable step for that authentic experience. This delightful dish is perfect for sharing at any gathering, bringing smiles and satisfaction. Enjoy the unique and comforting flavors of this Filipino classic, a true crowd pleaser every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.